Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sorefingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for part 2 of my lessons on Life on Mars from David Bowie. In part 1 we covered the verse and the pre-chorus sections, okay, so we're now going to do the chorus section, okay. After the chorus section, the first chorus goes into the instrumental. I'll show you how the chord sequence is for the instrumental. And then after the instrumental, basically it's another verse and another chorus, and then the song finishes, okay? So I will give you a suggestion how you might finish it, because it's quite orchestral at the end of the song, and so I made a slightly simpler single guitar version to end the song, okay? So here we go. So the chorus, right, coming out of the first pre-chorus, it goes like this. Sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at them cavemen go. It's a freaking show. Take a look at the old man beating up the wrong guy. Oh man, wonder if it ever know. It's a freaking show. It's a life on instrumental. And so on into the next verse, okay? So let's get to it. So the actual chorus starts on I'm playing a G chord. I'm playing a 4-fingered variety, doubling up on the top E string and the B string on the 3rd fret. You don't have to, simple G is fine, whichever one you suits you best, okay? So it goes sailors, and then to a C chord, again I'm using a 4-fingered C, or C with G in the bass. Simple C is fine, but I like to play all 6 strings, so this 3rd finger goes up to the bottom E string, 3rd fret, pinky takes over on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, okay? All 6 strings then. So sailors, sailors fighting in the dance hall. E minor. Oh man. Then we play this chord. You keep it's an E flat augmented. And what you do is you remove your 2nd finger from the E minor, or 3rd finger actually, isn't it? 3rd finger. Leave the 2nd finger on that 2nd fret of the 5th string. Put the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 4th string, okay? I go from 5 downwards myself, okay? Don't play the bottom E string. Okay, so now you've got this. Sailors fighting on the dance hall. Oh man, look at them cavemen. Okay, so just a 2-fingered E flat augmented chord there. 2nd on the 5th, 1st on the 4th, okay? Then you go to a D chord, then to a D minor. It's a freakiest A minor show. Okay, so let's just do that again. Sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at them cavemen go. It's a freakiest show. So what's we got? Then we go up to C minor. Take a look at and then so it's C minor bar chord. I'm playing a 3rd fret bar minor shape. C minor, a simple C minor is fine if you can't manage the bar chord. That's that shape, you know. 4 down to 1, okay. So once again, sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at them cavemen go. Show. Take a look at that, and then it just repeats, okay? Go back to the beginning of the chorus. G. Oh man, beating up the wrong guy. Oh man, wonder if we'll ever know. Is the best of the show? Is there life on? Now, this is where it changes at the end of the 2nd part of the chorus. It goes to E minor. E minor, because it is alive on Mars. Then you do that E minor flat augmented again. Okay, got that one. So that's the one you just played earlier. Second on the fifth, first on the fourth, 5 down to 1. So it is alive on. Then take off the first finger, leave the second finger behind, second fret, fifth string. Then you've got an E minor seventh, open fourth string. Okay, and then what I do is I play this chord we played in the verse was the E minor 6 with C sharp in the bass. Second on the fourth, fourth on the fifth, 5 down to 1. Okay, then we played that one in the verse. Okay, so and then the instrumental kicks in. Okay, so let's just go through this again from the beginning of the chorus. So he was fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at who came and go. It's the freakiest show. Take a look at the low man being at the wrong guy. Oh man, one could never know. It's the best-selling show. It's a Now we're going into the instrumental, and it's D, and it's like 2 sort of beats on each chord really. And then we're going into an E flat diminished. Okay, first fret, first finger, fourth string. Second finger's playing the first fret of the second string. Third finger's playing the second on the third string, and pinky's playing the second on the top E string. 4 down to 1. Should sound like that. So that's D. This E flat diminished. Then an E minor. And then a B diminished. Okay. So that same chord, but up 2 frets. So I'm starting there. Third fret of the fourth string with the first finger. Third fret of the second string with the second finger, fourth fret of the third string with the third finger, and pinky's playing the fourth fret of the top E string. That's a B diminished. Okay, so now we've got D, E flat diminished, E minor, B diminished, then we're going to an F sharp minor. First 3 strings barred at the second fret, first finger, and then the fourth fret of the fifth string, third finger, and fourth fret of the fourth string with the pinky. 5 down to 1. You could play a full bar chord if you wanted to, but no need. Okay. So now you've got D, E flat diminished, E minor, B diminished, F sharp minor, and then we just move that up 1 fret and play a G chord. Just I'm playing it as an F chord, 4-fingered variety. So it's like an F chord but on the 3rd fret, but with this 3rd finger up on the 5th string, 5th fret, and pinky on the 5th fret of the 4th string. G with D in the bass sort of thing. Or you could play a bar chord G if you wanted to. It's up to you again. So after the F sharp minor, up to G, and then make it a G minor. Just a single strum, because there's a bit of a pause there. Okay, single strum will do nicely there, or 2, and then stop. So that's barring the first 3 strings on the 3rd fret, first finger, 5th fret of the 5th string, 3rd finger, and 5th fret of the 4th string, 4th pinky. Stop, bit of a pause, and then we start into another verse again. Da 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 da. That's the usual thing. Okay, into the final verse. Then it goes into another chorus. Okay, exactly the same to play as the first chorus we learnt. And when you come out of Is There Life on Mars, where it goes, Is there life on Mars? Same rundown as before. When you get to that one, that's where we stopped before on the first chorus. This time, after that chord, the E minor 6 with C sharp in the bass, we play a C chord, and then the C minor, G. And that's how I finished it, because it's very orchestral on that bit. Okay. Got that? So you just come out of that is alive on. Same rundown as before. E minor to E flat augmented, E minor 7th, E minor 6 with C sharp bass, then go to C, C minor, and then the G. And that's the end of the song, okay? Now the only thing I haven't told you is in that, in the chorus where it goes, sailors fighting in the dance hall, oh man, look at them cavemen go. It's a pretty show. That little rundown, it's very quick, but you don't have to put it in, it's an optional, okay? But what you do is when you go to D, it goes, let's do it again. Sailors fighting in the dance hall, oh man, look at them cavemen. D, D minor is a free, and then you just run down. All it is one note down each time, starting on the 5th fret of the 5th string, the A string, 5th fret. You can use whichever finger is more comfortable for you, okay? I do that myself. Starting on the 3rd finger, 1st finger, and then 1st finger again. 5th fret on the 5th string down to the 2nd fret, okay? So it goes, sailors fighting in the dance hall, oh man, look at these cavemen go. Here's a free and show into A minor, okay? So there you have it, you have all the bits now. Hopefully you'll make some sense out of that and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.